So I just picked up another boat, a lot bigger than the other one was. I'm now sailing it back up home. Light winds at the moment. The motor's a really good one, but the valve for the seacock for the cooling system does not work. It's seized. Just gotta get up to town, get a new valve. Shouldn't be too bad. You expect little problems when you buy cheap old boats. That's normal. And the jib's good, mitten's good, and my mainsail is actually, well, the mainsail that came with the boat was all torn to shreds. Found a giant jib that was hiding in the boat, so I wrapped that around the boom and just heat that up as the main. It's working. Just replacing the seacock for the cooling system. I've already put a bung outside through the hole, so it shouldn't leak. Hopefully work. The valve. I don't have any thread tape, so I'm going with plan B, which is electrical tape around the outside. And pipe wrench because I don't have the right size wrench. 40 Tesson wrench. It's just past 1 in the morning. Decided to sail right through the night just because things were going a bit slow progress. And I still got to get back to work because sailing doesn't pay any bills. Doing a bit of a crossing at the moment just between mainland BC and Vancouver Island here. Heading up towards Campbell River. The other reason I'm doing this through the night run is at the speed I've been going with light winds and the motor's still overheating a bit. It just doesn't seem to want to fix itself. Now, I've been trying different things. Still not liking me. I think diesels just have it out for me. Might be time to change electrics, I don't know. See what happens. For now though, I gotta make the tides right. So, it's a bit of a narrow entry between Quadra Island and Campbell River, which will be high current, relatively. So the aim is to hit that on the high tide and get the outgoing tide pushing me. Make life easier. And then I'll have about a 6-hour rest, theoretically, while I wait for the tide to shift again for a few more narrows. So, kind of looks like I'll be running right through until about midday, maybe a bit later, and sleeping tomorrow afternoon. Just coming off Cape Mudge here. There's a lot of riptides. Basically following in one tidal stream, and it's kind of narrow. Also with all the current, it's pushing the boat all over the place. Making it really fun. As long as I sit in this little riptide thingy, I'm making good headway. We've got reasonable wind, so it's okay. It's still really light wind, but I'm making the best of it, using the current to my advantage. So my big jib broke, just tore along the trailing edge. So I had to go with a smaller one, which I'm pretty sure is a dinghy sail. And there's almost no wind, so right now I'm trying two. One inner and higher. Hopefully that makes some balance. Got another one I could put on if I really wanted to. We'll see what happens. I don't really have any more halyards, so I don't know what else to do. There's no wind. But I gotta get going. I'm kind of stuck in a bad spot to be stuck. What's current?
Well, I didn't quite make it all the way. Got up at midnight, started sailing again, and just as I was going through a series of rapids, wind died on me and the batteries had no charge in them, so I couldn't start the motor. I went to throw out the anchor, that was just dragging across the rocks, didn't grab. I think the current's about 3 knots there, so I had to pull into the harbor, and I think I'm gonna have to call somebody to pick me up, come back after I go do some work and do some more repairs on this boat before I continue sailing it. Because there's no point in sailing in this condition when the batteries are just dying. You can't start the motor when in those critical moments, like I went through whirlpools, both doing loop-de-loops, so no good.